So we decided it would probably be easiest to make a video. This way you could watch it if you forget. So I already got mine ready, but I'm still going to walk you through it. So if you have coffee left, like if you look at this dial on either side of the pot, it will show you if there's coffee already brewed. So at our house, what we do, if there's still coffee in there, is we will put it in a pitcher and use it as iced coffee, but you can also reheat the coffee. Just keep in mind it takes time. So if there's already coffee brewed in there and you just want to reheat it, all you do is hold down this power button. You got to hold it in for about, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. If you do that and it says add water or needs water, it means that you didn't hold it long enough. So just try it again. For brew options, if you push this button, I always leave it just plain. You can change it, but we like it this way. And for keep warm hours, you can change that too. We always like it at 4. So we leave that setting alone because that's how long the pot will stay hot once you brew a fresh pot or once you reheat a pot that's already existing. To fill your coffee maker, the top obviously opens, and then this basket comes out. I usually rinse it every time just with cold water. Obviously your filter goes in and then your coffee in there. We do a full 12 cup pot, and we do 1 heaping tablespoon for each cup. So if we're doing the full 12 cups, we do 12. No, sorry. Forget that. If we're doing the full 12 cups, we do 6 heaping tablespoons, because that's 2 tablespoons. So if you're doing the full 12 cups, it's 1 heaping tablespoon per 2 cups. So you do 6 heaping tablespoons. Obviously that goes in there. This part lifts up. This is also where your brewed coffee will be. So instead of like pushing the button and emptying it, if you want to take it out for cold coffee, you can pick this part up and you can dump it using this spout, whatever you think is easiest. So you take this out. You can use this to pour the cold water back in here. I prefer a measuring cup. I find that easier, but you do whatever works for you. So when you're filling your cold water in here, you just want to fill it to where the 12 max, this top line is. If you overfill it, it's going to make a mess. I overfill it every time. Put this guy back on. Oops. And then of course, this. If it's on right, there'll be no gaps. Everything sits flat. Close that guy up. The steam does come out of the top, so be careful that you don't burn yourself. And then if you're ready to brew it, you just hit this button once and that'll brew your pot, and it'll stay hot for 4 hours. Like hot, fresh hot. If you want to set a timer on it, obviously make sure that your clock time is set properly. Like this is the accurate time. You use these buttons to set it, hour and minute. And then you hold in the program button and you can adjust, well, sorry, Brad, you'll have to do it. While holding in the program button, you can adjust the hour and minutes for what time you would like the coffee to start. So whatever time you set it for, so let's say Brad set it for 7 a.m., then let go. Let go.
Because it's not yet. There's.
Okay, sorry. Then you let go of the program button and you just tap it once to turn it on. And you know it's programmed because it beeps and that green light is on. Once your coffee starts brewing, you can dispense it right away. It'll beep when it's fully brewed. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Let us know if you have questions.